Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be reviewing or doing a quick review on the new Aina palette. Create this beautiful palette. I love the packaging, I love the iridescent colors, I love her signature. These shades are awesome. As you can see, I kind of digged into it for my look, but this is the palette. It retails for I think $42 or somewhere around there. There's such beautiful shades in this palette. You have a lot of transition shades, which a lot of palettes tend to lack, especially for medium to darker skin tones. The shimmers in this palette are so beautiful. I try to use as many as possible of the shadows. They are very pigmented. You know, I accidentally picked up a little more than I expected on my brush and had to quickly blend that out, and I wasn't really expecting that when I did apply it. I'm not going to do any swatches. If you follow me on Instagram, SLRbeauty_ or at Shauna326. I do have swatches up on my Instagram. It should be in my highlights section. So I'm not going to swatch. They swatch very beautiful just as they apply. So there's no discrepancies there. As you can see, there is kickback in the palette, which I don't particularly mind. Pretty unique names for the shadows, which I thought were cute. You know, if you have a problem with kickback, then you probably won't like a lot of Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes, because a lot of them do have kickback. But it's definitely more pigmented than probably some of the other Anastasia palettes that I have. So I'm definitely happy that I can actually use this palette and not have to continuously like reapply the shadow or use Fix Plus or something like that just to make it grip onto something. So definitely this is a must buy. Aina, congrats on your collab. If you'd like to see this look that I just created, then keep on watching. But before you do, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on the notifications. Make sure that you're a part of my YouTube channel. Hacking a little bit with the YouTube just because it's a lot to edit between YouTube and Instagram. Like, I'm trying to do both. I'm trying to build my presence, so it's a little bit harder to try to edit and get it up there along with working. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye guys.